Industrial facilities today face critical maintenance hurdles, where sudden equipment failures lead to costly, unplanned production downtime. Last year alone, corrosion-related issues forced 4 emergency shutdowns, causing significant financial strain and disrupting our manufacturing schedules. Beyond downtime, our current manual inspection process is incredibly labor-intensive, consuming over 3,000 work hours every single year. These manual checks also place our staff in harm's way, requiring them to enter high-risk zones like confined spaces and elevated structures. Furthermore, our maintenance data remains trapped in silos, disconnected from core systems like ERP and SCADA platforms. This lack of integration prevents us from making data-driven decisions, making our goal of predictive maintenance nearly impossible to achieve. To solve these challenges, we are introducing the AI Corrosion platform, a solution designed to modernize our entire asset management strategy. This platform shifts our approach from reactive, fix-it-when-it-breaks, maintenance to a proactive, predictive management model. At its core, the system uses advanced computer vision to scan equipment, replacing subjective human inspection with objective, high-precision detection. The AI automatically identifies and pinpoints the exact location of corrosion, ensuring that no potential failure point goes unnoticed. By detecting these issues early, the platform provides proactive alerts, allowing us to address problems before they escalate into major failures. This capability significantly reduces the frequency of emergency repairs and helps us optimize our maintenance budget from the very start. Crucially, the platform integrates directly with existing systems like SAP and Wonderware, creating a seamless automated workflow. This integration ensures that once a risk is detected, a maintenance order is triggered automatically, closing the loop on our operations. The operational impact is profound, with simulations indicating a potential 45% reduction in emergency repair and downtime-related losses. By automating routine monitoring, we can slash inspection labor by 70%, freeing up our team for higher-value technical tasks. Safety is also dramatically improved, as the system minimizes the need for personnel to physically enter hazardous areas for inspections. This transition also helps us maintain digital, compliant records that align perfectly with international ISO safety standards. To ensure a smooth transition, we propose a phased rollout, starting with a 30-day proof of concept on 10 critical pieces of equipment. This initial phase will allow us to rigorously validate the accuracy of the AI detection system in a real-world environment. The second phase will expand deployment to 100 units, focusing on full interface integration with our existing management software. Finally, we will achieve full-scale implementation, establishing automated warning mechanisms and generating comprehensive quarterly optimization reports. AI corrosion detection is more than just a technical upgrade. It is a vital step toward enhancing our competitiveness in the Industry 4.0 era. By balancing operational safety with cost efficiency, we are building a solid, sustainable foundation for the future of our asset management.